Kgotso ya Modimo a be le batho. Dumelang. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe to my videos and also thumbs up there, and then hit the ringing bell button so that every time when a new video is uploaded, you get the notification. Okay, we are now on part number 3. We are now on part number 3, still on financial mathematics. So we have activity number 4 here. We did activity number 1, 2, 3. So now we are on activity number 4. So on activity number 4, it says the purchase of a car 5 years ago was 200,000. The current book value of the car is 85,000. Using a reducing balance method of depreciation, calculate the annual rate of depreciation. An interesting question. If you check activity number 3, they also used the reducing balance method, but we were looking for the value of the computer after being bought 4 years ago. And it was bought at 4,700, but we calculated how much it will be after 4 years. But now, on this one, the value of the car is 200,000 5 years ago. Okay, like the first one, that the 1 year computer, the way in which ke interpreting, let's interpret this one. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 years. So now we are going to check. There is a word which is the past tense, was. Or initially, the car was 200,000. Where is your initial year? If you are talking about 5 years, it means that the car was 200,000 here. But I don't rekile koloi ka 200,000 5 years after. It is 200,000. Now, the current after 5 years, the book value of the car is 85,000. So currently we are at the 5th year, and the value of the car is 85,000. So using a reducing balance method of depreciation, calculate the annual rate. What are we calculating? We are calculating the rate. And then we said that R is our rate. So meaning that from here to there, if you check the value, it was 200,000, but now it's 85,000. What happened? The value has decreased. Now it means that we are going to use a negative because oral onaling depreciation. And then how do we calculate using the reducing balance method? The formula to calculate the reducing balance method, we said, is A equals to P into 1 minus I to the power of N. Ka bontsha gore le ge o ka bona the word reducing balance, always remember that this formula ke yona ya reducing balance. Now, initially it was this. And initially, this is your present value, this is your future value. Okay? So initially, it was this principal amount. After some time is a accumulated amount. So but because e decrease, re ka se bitse gore ke eng, ke accumulated. Okay, re tla e bitse gore ke scrap value. Ke yona re e bitse gore ke scrap value. Re boletse ka pele ka book value, scrap value and reducing balance. So immediately we want the term reducing balance, setse re tseba formula. But always ge o bona the value ya hao e decrease, o tsebe gore re na leng scrap value. So always A is your scrap value. So meaning that you have 85,000 here is equals to your principal amount was 200,000 plus, 1 minus R over 100. They said the current, calculate the annual. You remember the term annual. Annual means 1. Multiply by 1. Therefore, for how many years? It says 5 years there. And N is equals to T multiplied by M, which is 5 multiplied by annual 1. Therefore, N is equals to 5. Then we put 5 there. Akrinya rate. So that our rate in this case, in the form of percentage. Now, because you have 200,000 outside this bracket, we must first deal away with this 200,000. Then you are going to divide both sides by 200,000. Divide by 200,000. Also divide this by 200,000. This 200,000 will cancel out that. Then we are going to remain with 85,000 over 200,000 equals to 1 minus R 100 to the power of 5. Now, once we have this, you can simply press this on a calculator. Then you will but already 0, 0 cancelling out. Or shall I 85 over 200? What is 85 over 200? 17 over 40, which is the same as 0,425. 0,425 equals to 1 minus R over 100 to the power of 5. Now, we want to apply maths. Because re na le exponent of 5, please don't introduce the logs if they are not necessary. So ndo re dira mmokore, ro dira fifth root. Ge o nyako bola this exponent, dira fifth root ya yona. Le ka mo o direng fifth root. So se dirang ka mo left o se dira ka mo right, or so se dirang ka mo right o se dira ka mo left. Why we choose a fifth root? We choose a fifth root because the exponent mo like yona 5. This means that this 5 will cancel out that. Rashala ka eng 1 minus R over 100. R sana exponent. But now ge o ka press this on a calculator. Square root, the fifth root of what we have there. Which is 0,425. Irfa 0,845. 7. Only write the 4 digits after the comma. Now, because we have this, we can now remove the brackets. That is 0,8425 equals to 1 minus r over 100. But you must be aware that r over 100 is not handling r percent. Okay? Now, from there, you're going to take this one. The 1 will come this side. And then Rafale Revale 0,8425 minus 1 equals to minus r over 100. Ke bontshitse r over 100 in the form of percentage. So now it means that I've got negative r percent. Then what is this? 0,825. Then you say answer minus 1. Here negative 0,5. Oh, sorry. 1573. Because both sides get the negatives, then we say R percentage is equals to 0,1573. Okay. Now, rena re nyake R percentage, re nyaka R. Agar R is out of 100, I should have not really next one like a change the percentage. For our R percentage, is 0,1573. Because we want R not R percent, it means that we're going to multiply both sides, or we can simply say cross multiply. And a cross multiply, always remember this side over 1. I can come more a fraction. So this one will multiply this one will multiply that. What is R multiplied by 1? Equals to 0,1573 multiplied by 100. We have R is equals to 15,73. And then we can write this in the form of percentage. So it means that our rate is going to be 15,73%. Okay, so this is our final answer. Please, every time when I raise a question, try to do the question before you go through the video and check yourself for now or understand how to. Okay, this will be the end of our part 3. And part 4 and 5 and 6 will be following after. Make sure that you subscribe and you encourage your peers to also subscribe. Thank you very much.